My dearest Derrick, today is the day that we have both waited for, 7/7/17. In a couple of hours, we will become husband and wife. God has brought us together, and I thank Him for that.
Derrick Lorenzo Brown, I thank God for you. I really do. And I have something to tell you. So please, meet me at 5 p.m. at the Oceanfront Gazebo.
I'll be the lady in the ivory dress walking down the aisle. I love you forever and always. Love, Karla.
Karla by blood is my big cousin, but in life she has become so much more. She is a friend, a sister, and a soror. I want you to be able to love her, to protect her, to care for her, and most importantly, to lead her as God leads you. I love you both.
Karla, you got a good man. I've been knowing him a long time.
All right.
I wish y'all the best of luck in everything y'all do.
He is faithful and He is true to His word. God knew you deserved someone to love you, to care for you, to show you His love here on earth. And He gave you Derrick. I love you. I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to stand next to you. Let's raise our glasses. Up to it, down to it. We do it because we used to it. Forgive those who don't do it.